Welcome back to Williams Designs. It is time to do the full test here. So I've already cleaned out the head. It's already been cleansed. I've already pulled out the ink because you got to do all that. You know, when you first get the printer, and you got to do that. You know, that's part of the maintenance. I've already done all of that, and it looks like everything's perfect. Oh, by the way, let me catch some of you up. So if you're just tuning in, I just changed out the capping station. So I have basically had to kind of start over, so to speak. So now I've done the cleaning of the head, the print head. Now it's time to see if this, if this is gonna work. All right, here we go. If the head is still good, I think it's still good. I'm kind of excited, but at the same time, you know, we got to see right now. Here we go. Man, that's disgusting. But that just means that I gotta do some cleaning, some more cleaning under the head. But looking at it, as I zoom in here, dude, it's looking good. Oh man, I can't see the yellow that well though. But other than that, we got the white, we got the black, we got the blue and the red. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, let me clean it out a little bit more, and then we'll do another test. All right, round two. Let's see if it turned out the same. Hopefully it turned out a little better. Otherwise, we have to do some more cleaning. All right, let's see how we looking. What? Let's go. All right, looking good, looking good. Blue is looking pretty decent. Just the top area there. Sorry, blue over there. My bad. Right there. Yellow is still kind of faint. So we'll have to do printing and see about that. But man, look at that. Woo! That makes me happy. We're back in business, guys. Well, one last test. Obviously, we got to print something, which I'm going to print something with yellow. And then we'll see. That should be the last test. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Printed something with yellow on it, a design. And has white and yellow, so this will be a good test right here. See how this goes. All right, so now we see, man, it looks good. Looks good. And if you don't know, this design, let me hold it up a little bit better than that, is I love my awesome wife. If you're married and you have an awesome wife, this is a good design. You can check out our website and get that design. But yellow is not looking too bad. It just looked like it needed to be you know, just coming out of the head a little bit more. And over time, I think it'll clean itself up. Now, remember, this ink sat for a couple of months. I've read that, you know, the ink, you know, if it sits, it can't sit for longer than 6 months. If it does, then you need to change it out. So it hasn't been 6 months. It's probably 3 to 4 months, something like that. But so I'm gonna have to try to run this ink out and then put new ink in. But I mean, this is good to have it. You know, I'm just happy to have it back running. But it looks like we're back in business now in terms of doing it from home, which is nice. Still, Ninja Transfers. Once again, I want to let you guys know about them. Great resource. If you haven't checked them out yet, definitely check them out. They print, well, they do everything. You know, they can send you DTF film sheets already powdered and ready to go. You can just press them. Or you just need t-shirts. I buy my t-shirts from them. So they come next day delivery, man, and it's a wonderful resource. But thanks again for watching. Wanted to tell you subscribe. Go to my website, williamsdesigns.com. You know, like and share. But we are back in action, and what a blessing. Thank you, Lord. All right, till next time. Have a blessed day.